Right, so this lead's just come. That will fit obviously to the. Now I got the 3-into-1. It says that this one is 6-pin. Is what we need for the LXR 125. But it has extra pins, so it'll cover every bike. Now what I'm told to do is use something like this because it's Wi-Fi. This I don't know if it'll do it or not. I might have to program or whatever. But this I can download the app and use the app on one of these Wi-Fi. I mean, what are these? A £5? AliExpress special. Got some basic ones. This has been a little belter over the years. Saved my bacon a few times with that. But then I went and got one of these stupid Wi-Fi ones. Anyhow, I hope that helps.